Welcome to our guide on Squarespace SEO optimization for 2025. Today, we're diving into why SEO is crucial for your online presence and the latest trends to watch out for this year. Before we optimize, it's important to grasp the basics. SEO revolves around key concepts such as keywords, on-page elements, and link building strategies. Next, let's focus on on-page optimization. This involves enhancing your content, titles, and descriptions to make your site more search-friendly. Now, we delve into technical SEO. Using Squarespace features effectively can greatly improve your site's performance and indexing. In 2025, mobile optimization is more essential than ever. Implementing strategies to enhance user experience on mobile devices is key. Creating engaging and shareable blog posts forms the backbone of your content strategy. Quality content attracts visitors and encourages shares. Link building remains critical. By increasing your site's authority through strategic links, you can drive more traffic. Analytics are crucial for performance monitoring. Utilize Squarespace built-in tools to consistently track your SEO efforts. Prepare for future trends in SEO, such as AI-predicted changes in search algorithms and the growing importance of voice search. In conclusion, implementing a comprehensive SEO strategy for your Squarespace site is an ongoing effort. Stay informed and adaptable to succeed.